Hello, book lovers. Miss Jana with Miss Jana's Learning Cafe, back again to show you some books. Now, you know that I like to read series, just because I like the same characters and I like to see what they do and how they get into things. So I'm just going to go through some of my collections that I have here and just kind of show you what I've got. First off, for those that are beginning readers, I've got School of Monsters. These guys are a little bit zany. They're kind of fun. They do some fun things together. In them, I love them. They've got some fun pictures. The words are just good sight words. And I love at the very back here, when you get all done reading, there's new words to learn. It's a game that you can play. Then they've got where you can learn how to draw the characters in the back. And I think that was it, but very fun. Love these. My youngest is in first grade, and we loved these last year. He still loves them this year. Companion books that we just got, they are School of Monsters. They're workbooks, so these are fun too. You've got words, we've got shapes. See if I can move them. Numbers and letters. So it's the same fun characters that you see in the books, but then they're helping you learn all of these different topics. So very fun. Very fun to play. Speaking of monsters, our all-time favorite currently series is Billy and the Mini Monsters. These monsters are tiny. They fit in his pocket. See, there's a picture of him holding them on the back. And they get into so much trouble, but there's a whole bunch of them. We did a book group in the summer, and we had so much fun reading the different stories, and then we went to different activities based on the books, and it was so much fun just to kind of see what Billy and his monsters got into and how they got out of trouble, because the monsters are always kind of causing problems. A little bit older readers, oh, I didn't show you in the inside of Billy and the Mini Monsters. Again, it's some smaller text. And then when the monsters are getting into stuff, it becomes more of like a little graphic novel. So it's an introduction to both chapters and graphic novels. So super fun. We love those ones. Speaking of monsters, we've got Leo's Map of Monsters. Leo just had his birthday. He gets his special job that he's going to do to help the village, and it ends up being this top secret job where he is outside of the city walls helping keep the village and the monsters safe. These are fun story. The words are a little bit harder, but some great graphics with Leo and his adventures. Next, and I cannot find our whole series because we love these books, but Axel and Beast. Axel is sitting at home one day and suddenly Beast is there looking for a home. So we've got, it's a little bit bigger. We've got some great pictures as we go through. Another super fun series that my boys love to read. We just got in 2 new series. Like, I have not even read these yet, but I wanted to show them off because they look so fun. My boys are into like anime and Pokemon, and so we've got Tiger Warrior. There's 3 in this series there. And like I said, I haven't even read these, so I can't even tell you the full story, but I loved the pictures. The words are not like super hard. So for those of you that are excellent readers, they're going to be a little bit easier read, and for my younger readers, it's going to be a little bit of a challenge for you, but that would be perfect fun to snuggle up with somebody and read. And then for our not quite so much fiction lovers, we've got Epic Historic Adventures. So these ones look really fun. Again, I haven't read these ones, but I am excited to see how they turn out. Again, the writing is a little bit smaller, looks a little bit harder, a little bit more in depth. So for my more advanced readers, or else another good snuggle up and read book. Anyway, hope you get some more ideas, and we'll talk to you later.